Hey guys, this is ExtremeEnigma90 here, and welcome to another reaction video. And today I'm going to be reacting to Test.mp4 by BonnieFan2004. Now, if you don't know who BonnieFan2004 is, I believe he's kind of new to YouTube, but he's a really cool guy, and he's making a type of FNAF fan game called Five Nights at BF Studios. But anyways, he made this animation, and what I seen from the thumbnail, there was my OC included in the thumbnail, and I'm kind of really hyped for this. But let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, react. What's gonna happen? Audio will play in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's kind of creepy. Audio will. I hope these sounds are. Ooh. Apparently, I'm looking left and right. Isn't that nice music? Oh god. It's so peaceful and joyful and makes me believe in. Also. Uh-oh. I'm scared right now. What? Whoa! Oh jeez. Oh my god. Whoa, oh my god, what the hell was that? Well, not sure what to say about that. That was pretty, intense. That was really well made by BonnieFan2004. But I also know was pretty much this type of VHS taping filter is kind of inspired by someone named Squimpus McGrimpus. And Squimpus McGrimpus makes these really insane, creepy looking VHS tapes of like Five Nights at Freddy's. But holy crap, that was really intense, scary. Well, that does it for my reaction to this. I hope you guys enjoyed and probably got a bit of a scare out of it. I surely did. BonnieFan2004, that was really good. But if you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a like and comment down below if you want to see any more reaction videos from me, and also suggest any videos you'd like me to react to. Also, be sure to subscribe to BonnieFan2004, pretty cool guy, and also please be sure to subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out a lot, and click the bell icon to get notified for every new video I upload. Thank you guys for watching. I'm ExtremeEnigma90, and I will see you all in the next video. EE90 out.